Ginger is a popular spice known for its unique flavor and aroma, but it also offers several potential benefits for our bodies. Here are some of the key benefits associated with consuming ginger. Digestive health. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It can help alleviate symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, indigestion, and bloating. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, promotes better absorption of nutrients, and can even help with motion sickness. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols and shogales. These compounds have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other inflammatory diseases. Pain relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help alleviate pain associated with various conditions, including muscle soreness, menstrual cramps, and migraines. It may also help reduce the reliance on non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, for pain management. Immune system support. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which can help strengthen the immune system and protect the body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. A strong immune system is crucial for overall health and defense against illnesses. Heart health. Some studies suggest that ginger may have a positive impact on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. It may also help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can be a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Anti-nausea effects. Ginger has been used for centuries to combat nausea, including morning sickness during pregnancy, chemotherapy-induced nausea, and post-operative nausea. Its effectiveness is thought to be due to its impact on the digestive system and the nervous system. Blood sugar regulation. Preliminary research suggests that ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Weight management. Ginger has been shown to have a thermogenic effect, meaning it can increase metabolic rate and promote fat burning. Additionally, it may help control appetite and reduce food cravings, which can aid in weight management efforts. It's important to note that while ginger is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation, it may interact with certain medications or cause gastrointestinal discomfort in high doses. If you have any specific health concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating ginger into your routine.